Sherbel, are we here already in changing state?
What did you just say?
Okay, are we here in changing state or here in changing state and temperature? Which one? This one? Over here? Yes, changing state. Let's start. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's have our lesson for today, Sherbel. Please read. Let's read it, Sherbel.
Read where?
This one, our lesson for today.
Change state.
Very good. Changing state. Okay. So first we have a word
Freezing.
freezing. Okay, that's good. Freezing. Sherbel, when we say freezing, that means
Is an ice.
yes, freeze. When you freeze something, so that will be turning. Let's read turning.
Like liquid into a solid like ice.
Yeah, like ice. So can you tell me what's the process of the ice becoming an ice? What's the
Become
What's the process of an ice becoming an ice? What is it first?
you mean how to make an ice?
Yeah, the process of making an ice.
You just put oil, just put the water and then and then put it in the fridge and it will turn into an ice. Okay.
Okay, so that means freezing means turning a liquid into a solid. For example, what she say is the ice. Okay, do you have ice in your refrigerator, Sherbel?
Yeah, I have ice.
Okay, that's good. So, how about this one? Let's read over here. Let's read here. Ice lollies.
And long leaves are made from fruit trees that has been cooled until it
It freezes.
freezes.
Okay, so Sherbel, ice lollies. Is it still water? Just clear water? How to make ice lollies? Like an ice cream or ice lollies? Is it still a clear water? Yes or no?
No,
No. What is it? If it is not a clear water, what is it? It's a
it's a mm,
okay. Let's have, for example, mm, orange lollies, orange juice that is being freeze. So that is made from orange juice. Okay, until it freezes. Okay, Sherbel.
a
Okay. When will it freeze, Sherbel? What is the um temperature? Is it cold or hot?
the temperature of ice
Yes, before it becomes
is
a
cold.
solid. It's cold. Very good. So aside from ice and ice lollies, can you think of anything? Let's think of anything that turns into a solid. A liquid that turns into a solid.
It can turn into a solid.
One more time.
Do you just say what did you say?
I say, aside from ice and ice lollies, let's think of anything that turns into a solid when it freezes. A liquid that turns into a solid when it freezes. Aside from ice and ice lollies, because it's given here. Let's have another example.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Very good. That's great. An ice cream. Okay. Sherbel, I want you to read this part here. Liquids.
Liquids change into solid when they cooled. This is called freezing.
Very good. That is called freezing. Okay. A liquid freezes into a solid when it is cold. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Very good. That is the first one. Freezing. And the next one, we have a word. What's the next word, Sherbel? It's
Is you just say the mount the last word the other word.
okay. The first we have freezing, turning a liquid into a solid. And next we have melting. Follow teacher, say melting.
Melting.
Okay, melting. What is melting?
Melting means that I will give you an example. And when the ice is freeze, and then I will go into and I go into outside and take the
อัน
ice.
นี้คือตัวอย่างนะคะ
And the ice will melt
การ
it
แสดง
from
ของ
the
สสาร
sun
Yeah, why is that happening, Sherbel?
because sun is so hot and
Very
it can
good.
melt everything, especially water and ice.
Yes,
Because it's
okay.
liquid and the sun is solid.
Mm-hmm. And so, when we say melting, it is the opposite of freezing. It's the opposite of freezing because melting is turning a solid. Let's read.
Turning a solid into a liquid.
Very good. Turning a solid into a liquid. It's different from what? Different from freezing. The
Different
opposite of
of freeze, the opposite of
the opposite
the
of
freezing of opposite
okay, the opposite of freezing because freezing is what again? Freezing is from liquid to
to.
so freezing,
Yes.
freezing. Freezing is from liquid to solid. And melting is turning a solid into a liquid. Okay, your example is great. Sherbel, good job. It is the ice. And then we have the next example. Let's read over here. In a hot pan,
What did you just say?
let's read another example of melting. Another example of melting is here. Let's read.
In a hot pan, solid butter melts into a liquid.
Is it true? Is it true,
Mm.
Sherbel?
A solid
no?
butter melts into a yes, it does.
It's true. Okay. Do you know what a butter is, Sherbel?
How can I not know?
Okay.
I know solid butter.
Oh, because I just think you do not cook, so maybe probably you do not know what butter is, but that's good because you know what butter is. Okay.
Huh?
พูดไป
And so we know that butter melts into a hot pan and it melts into a liquid. Okay. And how about the next example, Sherbel? Let's
In,
read.
in volcanoes, rocks are heated so much that they turn into a liquid called lava.
Okay. Lava is the liquid. This one, the red one here, that's the lava, okay? And it's so hot. Okay. What is a lava? What is a lava, Sherbel? Do you know what lava is?
Oh, it's a volcano.
Yes, a lava is a volcano.
Can it melt and water?
One more time, Sherbel.
Can it melt water?
Oh, probably I think so because it's so hot. Well, okay, let me tell you this, Sherbel. A lava, first, the solid form of this is a rock. It is a rock. Okay? And then it's so hot, and it became liquid. And now it's called lava. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's read over here. I want you to read this part here. When solids are heated, one more time.
When the solids are heated, they turn into a liquid. This process is called melting.
Okay. Do you have any questions, Sherbel?
No,
No
I was
question.
math.
Okay, that's good. So let's have a recap. Let's have a recap. First, we have what's the first change of state? First change of state is
The first state of shape
changing
is
state.
the changing state is
Is first one. It's the freezing, okay?
yes, it's
And
freezing.
mhm, second
The
one,
freezing and the freezing the
okay, freezing, and next is the
next is the liquid.
okay, okay. Freezing and melting. Follow teacher. Changing state. We have two. Freezing and
Yeah, freezing
here.
and
Melting.
melting.
Okay, I have a question. Sherbel, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm ready.
What changing state is from solid to liquid? What changing state is from solid to liquid? Is it freezing or melting? Solid to liquid.
So
Yes, from solid to liquid. What change of state is that? Is it freezing or melting? From solid to liquid.
what did you just say?
Okay. You will answer me whether it is freezing or melting. Did you get it? Okay. Answer me if it is freezing or melting. A change of state that is from solid to liquid. Again, a change of state that is from solid to liquid. What is that, Sherbel? It's freezing or melting.
It's free.
Solid to liquid, solid to liquid.
It's freezing.
Oh no, it's not freezing. Solid to liquid is melting. Look, melting, solid to liquid. Just like what you said earlier, an ice into a water, when it is exposed to the sun. Remember, ice is solid, and then when it is heated from the sun, it becomes water. So solid to liquid is called melting. Okay? Okay, Sherbel, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, still there. Okay, now let's have this one.
Go to your check box.
Oh, my chat box. In what? Did you chat anything?
No, I didn't.
Okay. So Sherbel, let's go here. Let's read the sentence in the bottom. Here, let's go, Sherbel. What did the policeman say to the penguin?
How can a policeman say to the penguin?
Mhm. Okay, go, go, go.
Okay, go.
Let's read it. 2 more changes of state.
2 more changes of state to learn about here, and I cannot see.
Okay, here. Let me try it
Okay,
one more
I
time.
can see about here.
Mhm.
Freezing and melting. They are opposites forecast.
Opposite. One more time. Opposite.
Opposite.
Mm-hmm.
Opposite process.
Process.
Process 2.
Careful, Cherbal. Let's go. Freezing.
Freezing and melting. Don't change the material either. If you took that pan of liquid butter off the heat, it would cool down and turn back into the solid butter that you started with, teacher.
Okay, that means to say, even though you freeze it and you melt it, the material doesn't change. When you cool in ice, when you cool the water, it turns into ice. And when you heated the ice, it will turn into a water again. And the same process goes on and on. Okay? So the material doesn't change. Okay?
Okay.
Any question?
No.
Okay, let's have the other one.
Who is it? Is it you?
Yes, it's me. What? The one chatting you?
What the? No, I didn't mean your face. I mean your
What?
reaction.
I don't understand.
I mean your picture is going up at me.
Oh, I don't get it. Okay, wait for a while, Sherbal. You know, in New Year's Eve.
Your picture? Did you share it to me?
What? What did I share?
You share your picture.
I did not.
It's gone.
It's gone? Okay,
Yes.
Sherbal.
How do you think?
Do you have bread in your house like this?
Yes. I have. I have.
It is sandwich.
You
Okay.
always say that.
Oh, every day you have sandwich in your house?
Yes, I eat it every day.
Oh, that's great. Because me, no, we don't have sandwich every day because we
We
always
eat
have rice.
every evening.
A
I'm
sandwich in
just
the evening?
kidding.
Sure, Belle. A sandwich in the
No,
evening?
no, not in the evening. Sometimes I eat, but I just say I eat every day, so it means that I eat every sometimes.
All right, I see. What do you like your sandwich goes with? Sandwich with butter or with cheese or with peanut or with jam, a strawberry jam? What do you like it with?
What do you like it with?
Mm-hmm. Do you
What?
like it with? I mean, your bread. Do you like it with a butter, a cheese, mayonnaise, or a strawberry
Nutella.
jam?
In
What?
Nutella.
A Nutella. A chocolate spread. Nutella is a chocolate spread. But it's,
You didn't understand anything.
I understand. Do you say Nutella, right? Nutella. Let me type it for you so that you'll understand. Nuttla. Is it? Right?
Nutella.
Yeah, a chocolate
Wait.
spread.
The chocolate spread.
Yeah.
So it doesn't mean that I love burger. So it means the chocolate spread is a temperature of food.
Okay. Sure, Belle. Let's have now our lesson. Next is changing state and temperature. Changing state and temperature. Okay, follow teacher, follow teacher. Changing state and temperature.
Changing stage and temperature.
Temperature. Temperature.
Temperature.
Okay, what do we mean by temperature, sure, Belle? When we say temperature, it's all about.
It's all about it. Do you mean that the temperature? Do you just say what is the temperature mean?
Yeah.
It means the hot and the cold. So we have a temperature. So it's going to say how hot or how cold it is.
Very good. Okay. What if I tell you what's the temperature now in your country, Thailand? How's the temperature in Thailand?
It's so hot, high temperature.
Okay, it's hot in there. A high temperature. Okay. How can you measure? How can you tell the temperature? Number two, let's read. How can you measure temperature?
Mm, how can you measure temperature with what did you just say?
I say, how can you measure
Measure
temperature?
temperature
Mm-hmm.
with cold. So how you measure temperature?
Yeah, how can you measure temperature, Sherbel?
I will just see if it's hot or cold
Yes.
in water.
Yes. Okay, number two. Please read number two over here. Number two.
You measure temperature with the monitor.
Okay, follow teacher. Thermometer. Thermometer.
Thermometer.
Okay, I'll show you what a thermometer is. You wait for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you what a thermometer is. Just wait for a while. I'm
I
going to
knew
get.
it. That was picture of you.
Of course, that's my picture. Okay, wait.
Why are you so?
All right, Sherbal, do you know that I have a baby, Sherbal, a 2-year-old daughter, and she is sick right now. So I have a thermometer to measure her temperature. So this will be a thermometer.
Yes, I already knew it.
Okay, do you have like this, a thermometer?
Yes,
It's it's a
everybody has it.
no, I just recently bought it. So not really everyone have it because I just recently bought this one. Okay.
You bought it at Shopee?
How do you know Shopee? Do you have Shopee in Thailand?
No, I don't have. Yes, I have,
Oh,
but I don't have a Shopee in my phone. I don't have a phone.
that's good. You're still a kid and you don't have to have a phone.
I think did you buy this at 7-Eleven or in Shopee?
In a pharmacy. Do you know what a pharmacy is? A pharmacy is
Yes,
where you can
I
buy.
know.
That's good if you know.
Then
I okay. Sure, Belle. I don't have Shopee, but Shopee is so famous in the Philippines. So I think Shopee is just in the Philippines, but is it in Thailand? Hmm?
yeah, it's in Thailand already, isn't it? We're changing our names.
Okay. So sure, Belle. One more time again. Let's have a recap. What is a temperature? Temperature.
Temperature.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Temperature.
Mm-hmm.
What did you say?
What's
Temperature.
temperature? What's temperature?
I didn't. I just told you.
Okay, let's have a recap. Let me hear it again, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
The temperature
Mhm.
means it's ha, it
Mhm.
it's we can use it into how hot or how cold it's it in the water when we are bathing.
Okay, that's good. Not only in water, but in everything. For example, your body temperature. You use this for a body temperature. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good, Sherbal. I'll give you a 5 clap for that. Okay, Sherbal. And how can we measure a temperature? How can we measure temperature? How can we measure?
For sure.
Using a how can we
Use
measure?
it.
Mm-hmm.
Measure the temperature.
Yeah, how can we
Mm,
measure a temperature?
use a
Ther
thermometer.
Very good. A thermometer. Okay. And how about number 3? Let's read number 3.
You measure temperature in degrees.
Degree
Degrees.
Celsius.
Celsius.
Degree
Air C.
Celsius. Okay, this is the symbol.
C.
Yes, this is the symbol of degree Celsius. You can see it here as well when you turn it on. You can see a degree
Look,
Celsius here. Look at my baby's temperature, Sherbal. It's 38.5. My baby's
I
temperature is
think
38.5 degrees Celsius.
I think it's not C.
It's thick because of a normal body temperature, Sherbal. You don't know? The normal body temperature is only 37 degrees Celsius. 37. It's the
Can
normal
I
body
use it in the
temperature.
water?
One more time.
Can I use it in the water?
This one? No, you can't. It's for
And
body.
can I use the temperature to the water?
This one?
Yes, the temperature.
Thermometer, you mean?
The
Thermometer.
temperature is a thermometer.
A thermometer is used to measure temperature. Mm-hmm.
So how can I
But
use it?
okay, but Sherbal, this one is just cheap, so it's just for the body temperature, but not really for water. Okay, number 3. You measure temperature in what? We can say degrees Celsius, okay?
No.
Now let's have this picture over here. Okay. When we are in the negative 20 degrees Celsius, Sherbal, negative 20 degrees Celsius, is it hot or cold? Negative. When we have the negative sign, it means
Yeah, I'll tell you.
mhm,
It means that
negative 20 degrees Celsius. Is it hot or cold?
hot or cold.
Yeah,
It's
negative
cold.
20. It's cold. Very good. It's cold.
Are
Okay.
you know I'm going to say cold?
Oh, I just hear you say it's cold because negative something temperature that is below zero, negative that is cold, meaning it is low temperature. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Next, let's read over here. Where are you, Sherbal? You're not in the grasses anymore. Okay.
You just hear me and
Okay, how about here? Ice
raise your hand now.
one more time.
Let's say your hand is raised.
Okay.
So raise your hand.
Wow, okay. I got it. My right hand is already raised. My right hand is already raised. Okay, so now that's so good, Sherbal, that you know what a temperature is. And now let's have
See?
the next one. Okay, let's read.
So
A
you're going
material. Let's read a material.
a material will change state at a certain temperature.
one more time.
Right.
Certain.
Certain.
Okay, a material will change in a certain temperature. Okay. For example,
Okay.
mm-hmm, let's have this one. For example, water.
Water.
Mm-hmm.
Water.
When you boil, water
When
boils.
you water boils.
Boils.
When
Mhm.
it's heat to
Heated.
102 C.
100 degrees Celsius.
102 degrees Celsius.
Okay, and
Freeze at 0 o'clock.
it's not o'clock, it's degrees Celsius. One more time.
Degrees Celsius.
Very good. Okay, let me show you that one more time so that you will not be confused. Okay, number 3, you measure temperature in degrees Celsius, okay? Remember the word degrees Celsius. How about an iron? At what temperature an iron will turn into a liquid? Iron melts. Hurry up. Iron melts into a liquid at what degree Celsius? Sherbal? At
Degrees Celsius
mhm,
means
the
the
mhm, iron. The water, okay, let's have a recap. Water boils.
Water.
Yeah, water. The water will boil when it's heated into 100 degrees Celsius and it freezes, it becomes an ice when it is 0 degrees Celsius. How about an iron? Sherbal iron
Iron
melts
melt in the into a liquid at degrees 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 what? I cannot hear you.
Hello? Can you hear me
Yes,
now?
now
Okay.
I can hear you. Did you just say anything?
Yes, I say 1536 degrees Celsius is really hot. That a solid iron will now turn into a liquid iron. Okay?
A liquid iron.
Yeah, not unlike the water that